I'm speaking with Donie Dewbre from Cedar Park, Texas, who recently won a 2009 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition from TETCO, just for being a member of TETCO's Freedom Rewards program. So, Donie, how did you find out you were the winner of the 2009 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition from TETCO?
I got a phone call from the TETCO Rewards people telling me that I had won the truck in the giveaway, and I didn't believe him when he first called. I made him tell me twice and still wouldn't believe him.
And you won just by being a member of the Freedom Rewards program, right?
Right. All I had to do was swipe my card when I went in the store, and it registered me to win the truck every time I swiped it. So I swiped my card each time I went in, and look what it got me.
Amazing.
Texas Edition Silverado from Classic Chevy in Grapevine. So what Classic Chevy did is they have their own in-house custom store called CC Customs. They put a 6-inch lift on this for you. Got you some black chrome American Racing wheels with Toyo tires. Put these Nerf bars on there for you.
I like the chrome.
Chrome is, yeah, it's beautiful. What they did too, Donie, for you is CC Customs came in here and put dual exhaust on you. So now you can, everybody can hear you coming around.
Oh, nice.
You got your towing package, you got your headliner, runner spray.
Oh, that's good. This my cleaner.
Got your cleaners there too.
Very nice. Very nice.
So the top sponsor for your truck is Wrigley's. They sell the 5-gum, Wrigley's 5-gum. We got Rockstar over here, Hershey's, Rockstar Energy, Hershey's Chocolate Company, Frito-Lay, Oreos, Jack Link's Beef Jerky, and Ozarka Rail Car. Let's jump in your truck. You'll get used to it. It drives so well with that lift and everything.
Really?
Okay.
I'm afraid to drive it.
So now I'm going to show you this sound system from Car Tuning in San Antonio. They hooked you up with a Pioneer touchscreen video.
Okay.
You also have video on this as well, so you can play movies.
Oh no.
And if you have an iPod or an iTouch,
I forgot to bring it.
that's all right. I got mine here.
Okay.
Plug it in and keep it charged and play the music on it.
I'm going from a 1997 car to 2009. How cool is that?
We're so glad that you.
Yeah, I can't believe it either. Oh, and so you just.
Yep, you got touch screen on here. And I'm gonna pump this up for you.
It's really true. You really did win a 2009 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition from TETCO.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So keep using your reward cards. I think they're giving a vacation away next. So.
Well, Donie, congratulations on winning the 2009 Chevy Silverado Texas Edition from TETCO. And thanks for being a member of TETCO's Freedom Rewards program.
Thank you so much. It's unbelievable.
We'd like to thank everybody at Classic Chevy in Grapevine, CC Customs, Cartoon San Antonio, Wrigley, Rockstar, Jack Link's, Hershey's, Frito-Lay, and Ozarka.